I guess I always knew that children like playing outside, and we're in a battle with trying to get them to come outside and do something exciting. So when we come to the garden and they all want to come down and see what you're doing, and of course that's the best opportunity to say, oh, this is what we're doing. You can enjoy this. And we get them started on our first crop we planted, and when I realized that, it's an experience that they have to have a relationship. And it was okra. It was midsummer. We planted okra, and they planted it and they watered it and they nurtured it, and they pulled the weeds around it. And then it came down to harvesting. They love harvesting, cutting it down. They still didn't know what it was, had never eaten it, but they still wanted to be there for it because it was like their children and they wanted to take care of it. And so when we harvested it, we did, and then we cooked it, they all ate it. And so I was just enlightened that, like, no matter what they do, if they will eat okra, many other crops will be, easier to eat because okra, of course, is one of the things that kids try not to eat. And so, but these kids did not. And so I know most children, if they'll try one vegetable, they've tried more and more, and they have really learned to appreciate the taste of it because it's very good. And for the first time, they've never had it, and they enjoy it. Well, we want to focus on children being able to learn something interesting to take home to the parents, or get the parents to come and be involved in what's going on, or get people in the community to come in and help us um, teach and mentor the youth that's there. And a lot of times the parents, they just associate themselves with gardening and farming because they felt it was a job that they didn't want to remember because of the things their grandparents went through. But we know now that it's a treasure to have those skills. So the biggest challenge is that to get people reconnected with the the passion and the benefits of gardening and healthy eating, and we feel the best way we're doing it is through the youth. And if they can go home and tell the parents or get some neighbors involved, then we'll all be able to reap the benefits. It's a wonderful experience that I think that is something that we all need to experience, and we want to be able to share those things that you can share with future generations, and we all benefit health-wise and relationship-wise.